Now trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here complementary means the sum of two angles is equals to 90. Here now sin 90 degrees minus A equals to cos A. Cos 90 degrees minus A equals to sin A. Tan 90 degrees minus A equals to cot A. Now cot 90 degrees minus A equals to tan A. Sec 90 degrees minus A equals to cosec A. Now cosec 90 degree minus A equals to sec A. Here A less than equals to 90 degrees. Now verify these ratios. In this one, verification of above conditions. First one, here let A equals to 45 degree. Now first you have to take first one, sin 90 degree minus A equals to cos A. By substituting 45 degrees in A, sin 90 degree minus 45 degree equals to cos 45 degree. Sin 90 minus 45 is 45 degree equals to cos 45 degree. Now value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2 equals to cos 45 also 1 by root 2. The above condition is proved. So here LHS equals to RHS. Now you have to take another one, second one, cos 90 minus A equals to sin A. Cos 90 degree minus A equals to sin A. Cos 90 degree minus 45 degree equals to sin 45 degree. Next, cos 45 equals to sin 45 degree. Now cos 45 1 by root 2 and sin 45 also 1 by root 2. Here LHS is equals to RHS. The second condition also proved. Sin 45 and cos 45 also same. Now third one, tan 90 degree minus A equals to cot A. Now tan 90 degree minus A is 45 degree equals to cot 45 degree. Now tan 90 minus 45 degree, that equals to cot 45 degree. Now value of tan 45 1 equals to cot 45 also 1. Here LHS equal to RHS. Next fourth one, cot 90 degree minus A equals to tan A. Cot 90 degree minus 45 degree equals to tan 45 degree. Cot 90 minus 45 degree equals to tan 45 degree. Now value of cot 45 1 and tan 45 also 1. So this is also proved on both sides. Fifth one, sec 90 minus A equal to cosec A. Here also by substituting A is 45 equals to cosec 45 degree, sec 45 here, next cosec 45. Value of sec 45 is root 2, cosec 45 also root 2. LHS is equals to RHS. Now sixth one, cosec 90 degree minus A equals to sec A. Again by substituting A equals to 45, cosec 90 degree minus 45 degree equals to sec 45 degree. Now cosec 45 equals to sec 45, root 2 equals to root 2. So LHS equals to RHS. Here we use, actually up to here this satisfied for all ratios. Here if A equals to 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 0 degree, also substituting in the above complementary angles, those must be equal on both sides. These are the complementary angles of some trigonometric ratios. Okay, dear children, in trigonometry, in previous classes we discussed about introduction, 11.1 solutions and 11.2 solutions also completed. Now 11.3 solutions, now we will discussing about 11.3. Here first evaluate tan 36 degree by cot 54 degree. Now here tan 36 degree by cot 54, write in the form of 90 degree minus 36 degree. Here cot 90 degree minus theta equals to tan theta. Next, tan 36 degree by cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Tan 36 degree. Tan 36, this will be cancelled. The remaining is 1. Next, second problem solution. Given that cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree, cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree. Cos 12 degree write as same, minus sin write in the form of 90 degrees minus 12 degree. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Here sin 90 degree minus theta equals to cos theta. Next, cos 12 degree minus cos 12 degree plus cos 12 degree and minus cos 12 degree will be 0. So that equal to 0. This is the second solution. Now third problem solution. Given that cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Now cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree write in the form of sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 degree minus 31 degree. Here cosec 31 degree minus sec 90 minus theta cosec 31 degree. Here sec 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta. This. Here plus cosec 31 degree minus cosec 31 degree will be cancelled. So that equal to 0. Next, fourth problem solution. Given that, so write what is given in the problem. Sin 15 and sec 75 degree. Next, sin 15 degree sec 75 write in the form of 90 minus theta is sec 90 degree minus 15 degree. Now sin 15 degree sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, cosec 15 degree. Here sec 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta. Here sin 15 degree and cosec write in the form of 1 by sin 15. Here sin 15, this will be cancelled. That equal to 1. This is the fourth problem. Now Fifth problem. Solution. Given that tan 26 degree and tan 64 degree. Now tan 26 and tan 90 degree minus 26 degree. Then tan 26 tan 90 minus theta cot means cot 26 degree. Here tan 90 degree minus theta equals to cot theta. Next tan 26 degree cot 26 write in the form of 1 by tan 26 degree. Here this and this will be cancelled, that equal to 1. This is the first bit, 5 problems. Next we will discussing second bit problems. Now second bit, first problem, show that tan 48, tan 16, tan 42 and tan 74 equal to 1. Here given that tan 48 degree, tan 16 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 74 degree. This is LHS. LHS. Now tan 48 degree and tan 16 degree write as same. Now tan 42 write in the form of 90 minus 48. Tan 90 degree minus 48 degree. Next tan 90 degree minus 16 degree. Next tan 48 degree, tan 16 degree, tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Now cot 48 degree and tan 90 minus 16 also cot 16 degree. Now tan 48 tan 16 degree cot 48 write in the form of 1 by tan 48 degree and cot 16 also write in the form of tan 16, 1 by tan 16. Here tan 48 will be cancelled. Here tan 16, here tan 16 will be cancelled. So remaining is 1. So this is equals to RHS. So what is given in the RHS? Therefore LHS equals to RHS. This is first problem. Right. Next second bit, second problem. Cos 36 degree cos 54 degree minus sin 36 degree sin 54 degree equals to 0. Here LHS, first you have to take LHS. here cos 36 degree cos 54 degree minus sin 36 degree and sin 54 degree. This is LHS. Now cos 36 and cos 54 write in the form of 90 minus theta. This will be right in the same. Another after minus you have to write take same here. Now cos 90 degree minus 54 degree and next cos 90 degree minus 36 degree minus sin 36 degree sin 54 degree. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta, that equal to sin 54 degree, and cos 90 minus theta sin theta by there sin 36 degree minus sin 36 degree and sin 54 degree here plus sin 54 sin 36 minus sin 36 sin 54. Here negative, here positive. Total terms will be cancelled. Negative and positive, that will be 0. Here this is RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. This is proved. Now third problem. Given that tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Now tan write in the form of cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 degree minus 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Here both sides cot ratio. Now compare angles. Here 90 degree minus 2a equals to a minus 18 degree. Now 90 plus 18, this will be plus again a plus 2a, that equal to 108 degree equal to 2a plus a, 3a. A equals to 108 degree by 3. Here 3 1 the 3 3 the 3 6 the. Therefore A equal to 36 degree. Here finally write the sentence. The value of A is 36 degree. So this is the third problem. Now fourth. Given that tan A equals to cot B. Here A comma B are acute angles. Now tan A write in the form of cot 90 minus A, that equal to cot B. Both sides cot and cot ratio. Now compare the angles. 90 minus A equals to B. Now 90 degree equal to A plus B. So what is given from? Therefore A plus B equals to 90 degrees. This is the solution of fourth problem. Now fifth problem. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Solution: in triangle ABC, the sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. Here A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Now dividing by 2 on both sides. Here A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals to 180 degrees by 2. Next A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals to 90 degrees. 2 on the 2 90 the. Taking tan on both sides. Here A plus B by 2 equals to 90 degrees minus C by 2. Now taking tan on both sides. Here tan A plus B by 2 equals to tan 90 degree minus C by 2. Here tan A plus B by 2 equals to tan 90 minus theta is cot C by 2. Here tan 90 degree minus theta equals to cot theta. Therefore tan A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2. Hence this is proved. Now sixth, given that sin 75 plus cos 65 given. Now sin 75 write in the form of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees plus cos 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. Here sin 90 minus 15 cos 15 degree plus cos 90 minus 25 sin 25 degrees. So what is asked in the problem? The angle between 0 and 45. 15 and 25 are between 0 and 45. So this is the sixth problem from 11.3 solutions.